Chemical reaction I have selected is iron and sulfur. When the two are mixed and poured onto water, the yellow specks of the sulfur will lift to the top. If it's heated, then the mixture will begin to glow. The iron sulfide is not affected by magnetism, and also, unlike iron, the mixture does not conduct electricity. It can be used for people with an iron deficiency, for example, people who are anemic and need more iron in their system. Now, the chemical reactants are S and Fe, sulfur and iron. The reactants combine with heat to create Fe or FeS, or iron sulfide. Sulfur is an abundant yellow non-metallic element with an atomic number of 16. Iron is a strong, hard silver gray element, and it has an atomic number of 26. Iron is also the most common metal on Earth, and it can be found in the inner and outer core of the Earth. And the chemical equation, as you can see, would be FeS plus 2 hydrogen chlorine. Luckily for me, the equation is already balanced. As you can see, each chemical has a specific and equal value as the one on the opposite side. And now to increase the chemical reaction rate, one way would be to heat up the atoms, because when atoms are heated, then they will move quicker. And this is proven because when you heat up an ice cube, it'll turn into water, and then from water to gas. So, if the atoms in my equation begin to move faster, it is more likely that they will collide at the right speed and orientation. When that happens, the chemicals will react, thus increasing the rate of the chemical reaction rate. Now, for the opposite, the way to decrease the rate of the chemical reaction would be to increase the surface area. By making the space where the reaction is taking place bigger, it is less likely that the atoms will collide at the right orientation and speed. For example, if you threw a whole bunch of small bouncy balls in a box, it is more likely for them to collide than if you threw a whole bunch of small bouncy balls in a huge room. And so, in summary, to decrease the chemical reaction rate, you can increase the surface area, and to increase the chemical reaction rate, you can add heat. It's a metal, while sulfide is a non-metal, and then hydrogen chloride is a covalent bond because both hydrogen and chlorine are non-metals.